Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be whitening my teeth at home. I'm using the AuraGlow Teeth Whitening Light. If you're having issues with this product, you can email them and they will replace it for you. I'm also going to be using the Crest 3D white strips. It comes with 10 strips and 2 1-hour express strips, which I will be using today. So these are the strips, one for the top, one for the bottom. The back of the box comes with directions. You basically just peel it off and place it on your teeth. It says to do the bottom first, but I went ahead and did the top first and then the bottom. I really don't know what's the difference, but whatever, it's still getting the job done. Right here, I am trying to open the device, take out the battery. There's a plastic there you have to take off. Basically, you take it off and you put it back in and it turns on. It automatically turns off every 10 minutes, so you can keep track of time, which is pretty cool. I had it on for 1 hour and these strips were a little difficult to remove, but nothing crazy. I do have sensitive teeth and gums, but I didn't feel any sensitivity or discomfort. So it is about 2 shades lighter, which I am happy about. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Bye.